Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PayPal payments in WooCommerce for US customers step by step clearly. To authorize PayPal payments in WooCommerce for US customers, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, navigate to WooCommerce and click on Settings. In the WooCommerce settings, locate the Payments tab and click on it. You will see a list of available payment methods. Find PayPal in the list and click the toggle switch to enable it. Click on the PayPal option to access the payment settings. In the PayPal settings, enter your PayPal email address in the designated field. Make sure that you select the appropriate payment action. You can choose between authorize and sale. In this case, select authorize. Scroll down to configure additional options as necessary. You may want to enable IPN, which stands for Instant Payment Notification. Check the box to enable IPN if required. Fill in any other necessary fields according to your business needs. Click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Next, it's time to test your PayPal setup. Navigate to the front end of your store and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment method. Complete the requested fields and initiate the payment process. You should see the PayPal authorization screen. Once completed, return to your WooCommerce dashboard. Go to WooCommerce and select Orders from the menu. Find the order you just processed and check its status. It should now reflect the authorized status. If everything looks good, your WooCommerce store is now set up to authorize PayPal payments for US customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.